Hello, Academy Philippines! Sino pong nakapanood ng Success Academy? Yes, also familiar na kayo sa akin. Thank you ulit sa pagpunta. Ako na naman to. For today, you'll get to know more about how I started my Atomy journey, my business. So, I hope everybody will be inspired. Pwedeng parehas tayo ng storya, pwedeng hindi. But makapulot kayo ng aral sa journey na tinahak ko through Atomy. My name is Maria Agbuya, Sharon Rose Master. Actually, Maria Agbuya Acharya. Bagong kasal. Sharon Rose Master from Atomy, Canada. Ayan. So, me before Atomy, I've discussed a little bit also nung Success Academy, no? I was an immigrant in Canada 9.5 years ago. I landed in Canada August of 2015. I dreamt to make more money and be more successful. Kagaya ng lahat, kaya nag-a-abroad kasi kulang ang sweldo sa Pilipinas. So syempre, lahat naman tayo, we want to give our parents better life and of course to help other families. Ang hirap kasi nung maraming humihingi, hindi tayo makapagbigay kasi kulang din at wala rin tayo. Tama ba? Masakit din yun, di ba, minsan? Pero before that, I actually grew up in Philippines. So I grew up with my parents, mom and dad. Actually, newspaper dealer sila. Sila yung nagsusupply ng dyaryo sa Pasig. May kakalala kayo nagtitinda ng dyaryo? Yan. Actually, naranasan ko rin magtinda ng dyaryo. Nung mga few days ago, I actually asked my brother, thank you. I actually want to recognize my brother. Thank you for coming for today. Sabi ko sa kanya, nahihiya ka ba nung nagtitinda tayo ng dyaryo noon? Kasi nga parang elementary siguro, di ba, parang dapat pumapasok ka sa school, high school, ganyan. Pero may mga times kasi na yung parents ko, wala silang boy or wala silang makasama na magsusupport sa kanila kasi sila yung mismong bumibiyahe every 12 midnight, pumupunta sa pier, sa Maynila, kumukuha ng dyaryo. So na-experience ko pong magbilang ng dyaryo, magtinda ng dyaryo, yung kamay ko itim-itim, high school hanggang college. So minsan may klase kami kinabukasan. Dadating kami 5 o'clock in the morning. Di ba yung mga nagtitinda ng dyaryo, makikita nyo, minsan alas 5, alas 6 sa umaga, nakalatag na yan, nakakalat na sila sa kalye, di ba? Tama ba? Na-experience ko din yun. Nakita ko yung parents ko, umulan, umaraw, bumagyo, nagdyaryo sila. So, pinag-aral nila kami, actually private school kami, simula elementary, high school, college. 3 kami magkakapatid. Actually, 4 kami magkakapatid. Because I also have my half-brother, I'm sorry. Sorry, I have my half-brother actually. 4 kami. Na-experience ko, nasabi ko sa kanila, bakit hindi tayo mamasyal? Hindi kagaya ng ibang pamilya. Naingit ako kasi lagi silang pagka Holy Week, kung saan sila pumupunta, they go to beach, you know, ang dami nilang napapasyalan. Sabi ng mommy ko sa akin, kasi kapag hindi ako nagdyaryo, hindi tayo nagdyaryo, walang kakainin yung vendor. Alam niyo yun? Kasi yung mga nagtitinda ng dyaryo, umaasa sila dun sa parents ko na nagsusupply ng mga dyaryo sa kanila. So nakita ko yung hirap. So sabi ko, hindi ako magiging kagaya nila. Hindi dahil kinakahiya ako magtinda ng dyaryo, pero gusto ko mas magandang buhay para sa parents ko. So doon nagsimula yung dreams ko. I graduated nutritionist dietitian in University of Santo Tomas. Maganda yung school, no? Isa sa top 4 sa Pilipinas. My first job actually after passing the board exam, I was also a dietitian in San Juan de Dios in Pasay. Yan yung kauna-una kong trabaho mula na pumasa ako ng board exam. Kaya lang, kailangan mag-aral ulit because that time, nasa process na rin yung papers ko for going to Canada at that time. So, kailangan kong mag-aral ulit. So, I took my master's degree also. Nagtrabaho din ako sa food service industry. Pero naniniwala ako na lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, while making this presentation, I was looking back few years, no, maraming taon, 10 years actually, na lahat ng to, ni-ready ako for Atomy. Bakit? I was very picky. Kasi kahit nung college ako, graduating pa lang ako, inofera na ako ng position actually ng manager sa fast food. Kaya lang dietitian ako. So I have my values, I have my core values. Hindi ako naniniwala sa mga fast food or hindi ako masyadong kumakain ng fast food. Gusto ko yung mga healthy. So, hindi ko tinanggap yung trabaho kasi gusto ko mag-focus ako sa board exam para makakuha ko ng mas magandang trabaho. Kasi malaki yung pangarap ko para sa parents ko, right? Kaya nakapasok ako agad sa ospital. After that, syempre, wala na, na-approve na yung visa namin, punta kami ng Canada kasi my father went to Canada. Because my sister was actually sick, she needs to get to surgery. Noong mga time na yon, kaya kailangan makarating kami ng ibang bansa. Startup Canada, lahat ng meron ako sa Pilipinas, wala. So dapat, back to zero ka. You have nothing. So start ka pang wala. So nakita niyo yung picture dyan, no? Ano siya? Naglilinis, cleaning. Kasi, malayo ako sa father ko almost 10 years. So gusto kong malaman kung anong ginagawa ng father ko. So 2 jobs, my dad is working 2 jobs. Meron siyang full-time job, tapos sa gabi nagki-cleaning business siya. So wala naman akong trabaho pa, sumasama ako sa kanya, gabi-gabi. Nag-lean manager din ako dati sa food service, sa Jamba Juice. Pero nung pumunta ako sa Canada, naglilinis ako ng toilet, ng office, di ba? Pagkatapos, nag-school din ako. So habang nag-school ako, pag uwi ko, sasama ako sa father ko, ganun din. Kung ano yung puyat niya, yung pagod niya, sinamahan ko siya. Kasi gusto ko ma-experience kung ano yung experience ulit ng magulang ko, di ba? This time ng father ko kasi mag-isa siya sa Canada. Tapos nag-apply din ako ng optical shop. Sa Canada kasi hindi rin uso yung isang job lang eh. Dapat 2 jobs, 3 jobs, ganun. Kasi nga, not enough, the cost of living is very high. So, again, nagano naman ako, optical shop, sa sales naman ako. Feeling ko, ni-ready rin ako nito for Canada. Kasi I was able to actually meet other people, how to talk to people, how to deal with people, you know, different walks of life. And then later on, dumating ako August, January po nag-aral ako ulit. Kasi ganun nga sa Canada, babalik ka ulit eh, di ba? Mag-aral ka, sabi nila mag-upgrade ka para mas maganda yung makuha mong trabaho. And swerte naman din, God's grace, a few months after, I actually got a job. I work as a QA. At that time, minimum in Canada was like $11.50. Ang sweldo ko, twice of that. God is good, no? God is good. Pero alam niyo yung sacrifices ko bago ko nakuha tong trabaho na to, 2 months. Every day, I'm applying minimum 10 to 15 jobs every day. I have to make sure every week I did 100 applications. Kaya niyo ba yun? 100? Eh baka nga pagkausap at pag-follow up lang ng 10 tao, hindi niya ma-follow up eh. Ako naman, ang finalo up ko, trabaho. Kasi at that time, di ba? Kasi hindi ako papayag na, minimum yung sahod ko, tapos 3, 2, dami kong trabaho, gusto ko 1 lang, di ba? So, yan. Pero God's grace din talaga, pinagdasal at pinagpamisa pa ako ng mother ko, makuha ko lang yung trabaho na yan. Pero totoo po, kasi every time na nagpapamisa siya, tumatiming yung interview ko, day off. Kaya, nakuha ko naman. So, how I met Atomy? So, 2016, I signed up, but I'm not interested in the business. My classmate, nung nag-aral ako sa Canada, siya yung nag-introduce sa akin by around January, February of 2016. So I wasn't interested. Kasi at that time, syempre may work na ako. Diba, 2 yung trabaho ko, naglilinis, nagki-cleaning din kami ni Daddy. Parang iba yung priority ko. I need to focus dun sa school para matapos ko. So hindi ko talaga pinrioritize si Atomy. Until 2017, 2018, I got sick. So I was in and out of the hospital, I have no income, I have nothing, I have no health, pumayat ako ng husto, underweight na ako, naging underweight palalo. So yon. I was looking for an opportunity where I can make money without going outside without going outside the house, di ba? Kahit na may sakit ako, pwede ko siyang gawin. So doon ko in-explore yung opportunity ni Atomy. And to be honest, my favorite products is Himuhim and Probiotics. Yun yung testimony rin kanina, no? Kaya talaga nakaka-relate ako. Kasi may sakit ako sa tiyan, I have cyclic vomiting, they call it. So, probiotics lang talaga yung nakagaling sa akin. And of course, yung Himuhim. Kaya kung may issue kayo sa gastric, Himuhim is actually very good for that. Sales master, I became a sales master February of 2019. Bakit may picture ng Christmas tree? Because I started Christmas, December. So instead of buying, products outside, sa ibang brand, tinry ko yung Atomy kasi na-invite ako sa meeting eh. Sabi nila, you know what, why don't you try giving it away for Christmas? Nagkataon din, December, sinubukan ko, sabi ko, pag one of my family members actually asked me kung saan to nabili, gagawin ko tong business. Kasi meaning, maganda siya, di ba? So yun, pero naging ano lang ako, consumer lang ako here and there, face powder, hand cream, foam cleanser, toothbrush, mga ganun lang. Hindi ko talaga kinareer pa yung business at that time. But, December, natapos yon. New Year, January 1st, nag-facial na ako. Lahat ng mga tita ko nagtanong sa akin, ano tong product na to? Gusto ko tong product na to. Saan mo to nabili? Ang ganda, kasi ginamit nila kagad. Kaya January 1st of 2019, nag-facial ako ng tita ko. Sabi nung mami ko dati, huwag kang lalabas ng New Year. Kasi buong taon nasa labas ka. So ang ginawa ko, lumabas ako. Kasi I want the whole year na nasa labas ako, nag-atomy. Diba? So perfect. Dapat lahat kayo lumalabas ng New Year. September of 2019, few months after, nag-join ako ng Korean Tour. Lahat sila Diamond Master. Na-amaze ako. Na-admire ko talaga lahat ng mga Atomy Canada leaders. Then, I was inspired to become new Diamond Master by November of 2019. Very special din tong challenge ko na to eh. Kasi nung nalaman ko siya December, to be honest, ang goal ko to become Sales Master parang mga March of 16 to 30 of 2019. Tapos minove namin ang ni-move. Naging February 1 to 15 na siya. Birthday ko February 2. Syempre nag-challenge ako, birthday ko eh. Diba? Sabi ko, birthday ko ngayon, bumili kayo ng Atomy products. Gift niya na sa akin yun, diba? Yung points. So na-achieve ko yung Sales Master. You know how much points I collected out of 5 million na kailangan na sa Sales Master? I collected 7.5 million points. 1 month. In 30 days. Kung kaya ko, kaya nyo rin, di ba? Tapos 2020, nag-lockdown. So lahat ng tao natakot, di ba? Lahat ng tao nawala ng pag-asa, parang biglang nag-shutdown sila because it's very unfamiliar situation. Di pa siya nangyari, first time sa lahat, di natin alam yung gagawin. Actually, ako din. Sabi ko, ang dami kong products, how can I dispose or at least, paano ko pa iikutin yung mga products ko? Paano babalik yung pera ko? Hindi ko ito mabibenta, bawal lumabas. Anong gagawin ko? Di ba? Pero pinalitan ko yung takot ko ng faith and hope. Right? Kasi only then, maniniwala ba kayo, in 2020, 4 na Atomy company ang nag-open in different countries, 4. Ang daming nagsara. Yeah, ang daming nagsara. Ang Atomy, nagbukas pa, 4. That's only a sign that, you know what? I'm on the right track. I'm on the right path through Atomy, di ba? Doon nag-start ang changing ng buhay ko 2020. And ito yung ginawa ko, bakit nagbago nung 2020 during COVID, kasi online, so ibig sabihin bawal lumabas, so lahat na-expose sa Zoom meeting. Yan, nag-Zoom meeting. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano ibang ginagamit ng iba, no? So, daily 8 core actions. So, Let's Success Academy, you've seen the lecture ng mga 8 steps to success. Pero most of the time, siguro malilito kayo or sometimes you come to a point na mag-stop kayo, parang, or you get lost, ano kayang gagawin ko bukas? Kunyari, Thursday today, tomorrow pagising mo, anong gagawin ko bukas? O bukas ulit, o bukas ulit. Actually, ito yung magiging guide nyo, daily 8 core actions, tong habits na to. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-practice kami, because we watched a video of one of the Imperial Master, and she said, for her to achieve her Imperial Mastership, she actually did this daily 8 core actions. So, thank you to my sponsors. Siya talaga yung nagsimula nito sa amin. So, we read the book all together, How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book actually provides a roadmap for developing strong relationships, building trust, and achieving personal and professional goals. It gives also emphasis to empathy sa mga partners, genuine interest in others, and sincere appreciation. So, dyan sa libro na yan. Kaya siguro, swerte ko din kasi yun yung pinakaunang business book na nabasa ko, about pa siya sa pag-appreciate ng mga tao sa paligid mo. So, ang ganda niya, di ba? Kasi nakaka-relate din sa Atomy. And then, of course, we watch Atomy videos. Itong video na to, yan yung sinama ko kasi ito yung nakastruck sa akin. Sabi ni Chairman Park dyan, let me die giving lecture. Biruin mo, kahit na tumanda na siya, may sakit na siya. Do you know, are you familiar with Imperial Master Dongchul Park? He is not the first, but the first Imperial Master to pass away, right? He was also on the previous slides that I have. I met him when he was a Crown Master. I also met him when he was Imperial. He visited Canada as an Imperial Master, but he was already sick at that time. And I'm still parang sobrang na-amaze ako sa kanya kasi para rin siyang si Chairman Park na as long as ma-share niya yung love and yung Atomy sa lahat ng tao, it doesn't matter kahit gaano siya ka may sakit, gagawin pa rin niya. So, nakaka-inspire talaga yung mga leaders. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako nagpapapicture sa mga artista. Pero sa mga leaders, talagang na-amaze talaga ako sa lahat ng leaders. Medyo fangirl ako sa mga Atomy leaders. So, yan. Next, of course, you have to participate in the meetings. Dati nga, di ba, ayoko umattend ng meeting. Ngayon, everyday nagpapa-meeting ako. So, nagbago na rin. And of course, use the products every single day. Show the plan. Yung show the plan kasi matututunan mo lang yan kapag nanonood ka ng mga videos, sumatin ka ng meeting. Siyempre, pag mas marami kang alam, mas marami kang pwedeng i-share. Ganon din sa products. Mas marami kang nagamit, mas marami kang pwedeng i-share, right? And talk to consumers. And consult to sponsors non-stop. Parang everyday, lagi kayo magkausap, naging best friend mo na, mas madalas mo pang kausap kesa sa jowa mo, yung sponsors mo, tsaka yung mga partners mo. Pero ganun yata talaga. And then, of course, be consistent. I also use the Facebook and social platform. To be honest with you, medyo nahihiya talaga po ako nung umpisa. I don't wanna even post Atomy in my Facebook account. Kasi gaya niyong lahat, or karamihan siguro sa iba, takot tayong ma-judge. Diba? Kasi sabihin nila, oh, graduate yan, nag-master's degree yan, o bakit nagne-networking na lang siya ngayon? Takot talagang ma-judge. But you know what? Ever since I opened my Facebook account to post Atomy almost every day, lahat kami ng mga members ko, sabi ko, you know what? Gawin natin commercial ng Atomy. Gusto ko lahat ng tao sa Facebook walang makikita kundi Atomy! Diba? Pinapalakpakan yan! You have to be very consistent. So, yan din yung mukha ko before. Dami ko ring acne, parang si Sales Master Therese. Di ba, para rin ako mukhang tigyawat at tinubuan ng muka. Right? Pero, because of Atomy, gumanda na rin yung skin ko. So, wala nang filter. Di na po kailangan ng filter pag nag-picture ka kasi Atomy products lang yan. At dahil din naging consistent ako throughout COVID, the same year of 2020, bago matapos ang taon, I was able to achieve my Global Auto Sales Mastership. Now, the question is, most of the time, alam niyo na kung anong gagawin niyo, yung daily 8 core habits, every single day, you will always come to a point wherein, hindi naman madidimot, pero siguro napapagod ka, nai-stress ka, di ba? Lahat naman sinong hindi napapagod dito? Wala. Ibig sabihin, lahat, maghimuhimpo kayo para di kayo mapagod, di ba? And lagi nang dinidiscuss sa mga presentation, yung question na, you have to ask your big whys. You have to know your big whys. Pero for this time, I want to add a question also, why not? Why not? And I'm gonna tell you bakit kailangan tinatanong din natin ito sa sarili natin. Not just why, but also why not. So I want to discuss about the power of why. So when you ask about like why, bakit ko ba 'to ginagawa? Ba't kailangan ko 'tong gawin? Because in any pursuit of growth, the question we ask ourselves shapes our actions and define the paths we choose. Most motivational speaker will say to find your biggest why mo in order to continue. But the back of our mind always parang natatakot ka. But then again, you will ask yourself, why not? Bakit nga ba hindi? 'Di ba? So it's important that you are understanding your purpose. By keep asking yourself why, you will know your purpose, you will be aligning with your values, and you will be unlocking path for growth. PVG. Huwag niyong kalimutan yan, ha? PVG. Yan. Purpose, values, and growth. Bakit importante yung purpose? So ito yung tanong na mag-a-unlock ng full potential mo. Kailangan mo malaman yung nagpo-fulfill to live well, yung flesh mo pag nakapag-travel ka na, kapag may kotse ka na, may bahay. Siguro enough na, Sharon Rose Master, enough na yung pera ko, okay na ba? Titigil na ba ako doon? But it's more important for us to understand your purpose because this is when you will be able to define your goals. So when you ask yourself, bakit ko ito ginagawa? It forces us to define what are you really striving for, right? Why am I doing this? Bakit nga ba ako nandito ngayon? Bakit nga ba ako nag-share ng story ko? Kasi gusto ko pang mag-grow ang Atomy. It's not just me. It's more of really Atomy all over the world to grow, right? It's a grounding question that helps us visualize the future and understand what success means to you. It also answers the question of what actually drives you. Bakit ka gumigising? Araw-araw, di ba? Yun yung question na yan. And of course, pag meron ka na kasi, sino may sasakyan na? May bahay na, may pera na, may boyfriend na, may asawa na. Tapos na ba? Natatapos na ba doon kasi nakuha mo na? Ngayon dito tayo sa values. Kasi very important. This is now living true to yourself. The why question ensures that your goals align with your core values, leading to more authentic and fulfilling pursuits. So, nandiyan na yung ginagawa mo na ba to para sa parents mo, sa pamilya mo, sa asawa mo, sa mother, sa father, and Mama Flor. Yan. Kasi dalawa yung mother ko eh. Meron mother na nagpaanak, biological. Meron ding mother na nag-alaga. Uso yun dito sa Pilipinas, no? Maraming mother. Yes, maraming mother. Tsaka sister. Yan yung values mo, di ba? You have to think of your values, the foundation of your passion and purpose. Pag mahal, sinusukuan? Ang hina. Sinusukuan niyo ba yung mga taong mahal niyo? Hindi, di ba? So, kailangan magpatuloy. Di ba? My mom passed away 2022. And then, I was invited to actually share my vision back in 2023. Actually, I declined. Siguro kasi at that time, hindi pa ako ready. Ito yung perfect timing para sa akin, di ba? Teka, okay, contain ko lang yung sarili ko. Naiyak ako. Your values are your answers to questions, what is important for you in life? And what are your non-negotiables? Kahit anong mangyari, gagawin mo to para sa pamilya, para sa mga minamahal. And of course, yung soul to learn. Kasi nandiyan eh, namomotivate ka na, hindi mo susukuan yung anak mo, yung parents mo, yung kapatid mo, yung mga mahal mo, partners. Even partners, parang ayoko na minsan eh, pero sabi ko, ang dami nila. Umaasa sila, nakasalalay sila sa akin. So, kailangan ituloy ko talaga, di ba? So, nandiyan na rin yung soul to learn. So, when my mom passed away, half a year, I was demotivated to do the business. Even actually, maybe more than half a year ng 2023. Hindi ko alam kung gusto ko pa mag-atomy, parang ayoko na, parang hindi na dapat. Pero, I was searching for what can actually complete me as a whole. Doon ako mas na-expose. Because my parents has always been so religious. Nasa Catholic school kami, elementary, high school, hanggang kolehiyo, Catholic school. So, pero iba pala kapag talagang you give everything to Him. He will give you a new, bigger purpose. So, doon... Kasi, doon, time na yon, umattend ako ng Success Academy. I got promoted as a Sharon Rose Master ng 2022. Tapos yung Compassion, doon ko nakilala si Love You na from Haiti. So she was just 3 years old back then. Now she's actually 5 years old and I'm supporting her. Some people will always tell me, single ka naman, wala ka namang anak, wala kang sinusuportahan. Kung magtrabaho ka, para kang ang dami mong pamilya, ang dami mong anak. Sabi ko, hindi, may anak ako. May anak ako, may sinusuportahan ako. Ang dami nga di ba, pamilya na nag-a-ask ng help, pero ang sakit din kasi hindi ka rin makatulong kasi wala kang maibibigay. So bakit ko ginagawa ang Atomy? So nakaka-inspire because Atomy inspire us to actually contribute. Diba? Umattend ako ng Korean tour, nakita ko yung sa Cambodia, Dreamy Bible Camp, yung donation, na-involve ako sa Handmaids of the Lord. Ang ganda ng mga gusto nilang gawin para sa mga bata, para tumulong. Sabi ko, tama pala, I'm on the right path. 2024, last year, talagang mas nabuhayan ako because I actually created a more meaningful impact na gusto ko this time. So you really need to know your purpose for you to find your growth by asking more your biggest why. So ako siguro nahanap ko na. Gusto ko pag nag-Star Master ako, maghahanap pa ako ng maraming love you na, di ba, na mas nangangailangan din ng tulong. I encourage everyone na mag-participate din sa Compassion. It actually helps a lot. Na-inspire ako sa mga letters niya and mga drawings niya. And, of course, from the book of Philippians, look not only to your own interest, but also to the interest of others. So this time, medyo mas malalim na yung pinaghuhugutan mo ng biggest why. From the book of John, love each other as I have loved you. So wala tayong pipiliin. Lahat, kailangan, we should love, right? Each and every person. Okay? And next, how to develop your strong whys. So number 1, you must reflect on your long-term vision. So this time, you have to think about how you see yourself 5, 10, 20 years from now. When I became a sales master back in 2019, I've already announced dun sa mga workmates ko, magre-resign na ako, ayoko na talaga, papagod na ako dito sa work, ayoko na, alis na ako dito. You know what? I've been doing that for the last 5 years. 2019, 20, 21, 22, hanggang nitong 2024, I keep telling it to them, hey, aalis na talaga ako back in November. Hindi sila naniniwala. They don't believe me. They thought I'm lying. They said, you know what, Maria, you've been telling that to us 5 years ago. Until now, you haven't left. Oh, really? Let's see. Then, nagulat sila kasi, December, wala na ako. Inactive na daw yung name ko. Then they keep messaging me sa Facebook, sa Instagram. Kasi sila makapaniwala. It just took me at least 6 years to build this business. Part-timer nung una, full-timer na ngayon. And you need to identify what matters most to you, whether it's your family, financial, finances, independence, freedom, health, personal growth. You determine what is that for you, kung ano yung talagang nagmamatter sa'yo. And of course, you have to make your why very personal and real. Think about what actually inspires you personally. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng i-adjust natin yung whys natin sa kung ano yung kagustuhan ng iba. Kasi it has to be from you. You will have your own. You will actually discover. Because for me, every single day, I keep asking myself for the last 6 years until I found out kung ano yung gusto kong i-pursue through Atomy. And of course, ito na tayo ngayon. Yung power ng why not, okay? So why not, once you have a clear understanding of your why, it's about to confront the next question, why not? This question pushes you to take action, challenging fears, assumptions, and self-imposed limitations. Challenging self-doubt. Bakit nga ba hindi? Bakit hindi ako? Bakit siya? Bakit ako hindi pwede? Parang ganon. Tatanungin mo ngayon yung sarili mo. Of course, it also encourages growth mindset and broadening your vision. Kanina, PGV. Ngayon, SGV. Self-doubt, growth mindset, and your vision. Siyempre, marami tayong fears of rejection, fears na ma-judge. Ano pa bang fears? Baka hindi tayo bayaran pagka inutang yung products, di magbayad, di ba? O baka hindi sila umattend, hindi sila maniwala. I'm not sure what else kung ano yung fear nyo. At that time kasi when I first started doing Atomy, I have nothing eh. So technically, I have nothing to lose. I have no income. Marami lang ako utang. So mawawala sa akin. Kung utang mawawala, edi good. Pero wala na akong health, walang savings, no, nothing really. Pero marami pa rin skeptical, no? Akala mo may 1 million sa bangko. Natatakot sila, di ba? Akala nila may scam. Sabi ko, ito? Nang-i-scam? Parang hindi, di ba? Niniwala kayo, papaskam kayo sa akin. Ang Atomy naman hindi. Kasi nung nagsimula ako, walang-wala na ako. So I wasn't scared, hindi na ako nag-isip. Sa mga nag-iisip pa, na if you wanna do Atomy, to be honest with you, just go for it. Maybe in the next 5 years. In the next 5 years, promise, pag tinuloy-tuloy nyo, naging certified Atomy lover kayo, kayo na yung nandito sa susunod. You need to challenge self-doubt. Overcome your fear of failure by asking, why not? Diba? You confront your fears, whatever holds you back. Okay? So you need to overcome your fears, no matter what. Because then again, balikan mo yung whys mo. Lahat ma-overcome para sa pamilya. Okay? And then, from the book of Proverbs, be happy, sadness makes you sick. At i-overcome mo pa yan para magkaroon ka ng breakthrough. Kasi sa book of Proverbs also says, hard times may hurt, but they may help you to grow stronger. So dapat, wala tayong kinakatakot kasi kailangan mo lang overcome and breakthrough. Growth mindset, very important because all of us really need to get out of our comfort zone. For whatever you think na hindi mo kaya or natatakot, kakalimutan mo na because normally yung iba kasi hindi naman sila yung nagbabayad ng bills, di ba? So parang I always say, you know what, they don't pay my bills, I do. So I'm gonna do it. Ang mahalaga, sabi lang ng mami ko, for whatever decision you make, siguraduhin mo wala kang niloloko at wala kang tinatapakang tao. Yun yung pinaka-importante. So kung feeling mo you're an introvert, you don't talk to people, just try talking to 1 or 2, right? Kasi yung great success always requires great sacrifice. Gusto mo mag-beach ngayong summer? Namamasyal ako, nag-a-atomy rin. Lahat ng makita ko, ina-atomy ko. Pati pamilya ko, minute ko, ina-atomy ko na. Diba? Gusto mong manood ng Netflix? Instead, go to ODS and center meetings. Ang hirap, may time ka mag-Netflix, 2 hours, wala kang time umattend ng ODS. Unfair naman yun. Nag-expect pa ng payout. Sino nakarelate dyan? Right? You need to make doing things that makes us uncomfortable challenges us to grow. So yan, dyan din mas challenge yung ating commitment. And of course, dyan sa growth mindset na yan, you need to plug in the system. Very important. Lahat na yata ng Success Academy, hindi naman. Pilipinas, Korea, US, Canada. And my dream is to actually sign up more people in all countries na open ng Atomy so that I have a chance to actually go in their Success Academy. At next time, ang vision ko, ako naman din na nagsasalita sa Success Academy nila. And of course, nandyan na yung big vision, right? You have to aim for progress. So I was able to go to Alaska Cruise. Yan naman yung reward namin nung nag-Sharon Rose Master kami. I was able to bring my father. Tapos first time nag-hiking kami dun sa Alaska. Yan, Korea with family, of course, kasi yung members ko, leaders ko, is also my cousins. So nasama ko rin yung mga pamangkin namin. And of course, nakapunta kami Laguna Falls. First time ko sa Laguna Falls. Yan, thank you sa Laguna team. Yan yung vision na marami pang magagawa. But then again, why not? Kung nagawa ko siya, hindi ko rin nakalang magagawa ko eh. Pero baka kaya nyo rin. Kaya nyo rin. Naniniwala kayo, kaya nyo rin? Yes? Ang hina, parang hindi. Naniniwala kayo na kaya nyo rin? Yes, that's good. Because the next question will be, why not you? Bakit hindi tayo? Bakit hindi ako? You have to see your own capabilities because I know we are gifted with our own capabilities. And of course, you have to build your own confidence and this will also, you have to pledge your commitment. This question builds on the foundation of the previous two. Why and why not? Why not me, right? You have to imagine yourself in the place of those who's achieved great things already. So, capabilities, you have to believe in yourself. Kasi sino gusto magpunta ng Korea? Ang kailangan lang, Diamond Master sa Atomy Philippines. Ang laki pa ng payout ng Diamond Master. Sino magda-Diamond Master? Ma'am, nakikita niyo yung mga members niyo, nakataas ang kamay. Yan, maraming pupunta ng Korea from Philippines. Capabilities. Kasi all of us are capable. And of course, yung self-confidence. You also have, in asking, why not you or why not me, it can build your self-confidence also. So these people, if you recognize all of them, those are like the leaders. Crown Master of Canada, si Chairman Park, si Mr. Yun. Kasi yung line namin kay Mr. Yun, #1 ng Atomy, right? Mga sponsors ko. Kasi this time, you have to surround yourself with people that actually inspires you. Instead of comparing yourself to others, you build your confidence by learning from those people who actually achieve more, achieve greater than you. And all you need to do is duplicate kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila. You're gonna ask, my husband is actually here. Kasi isa rin siya sa mga inspiration ko. He's a successful man too. And he has always been encouraging me. I told him sometimes that, you know what? If I feel down and I always tell you, I want to give up. I don't think I can do this. I think I just want to give up. Please remind me again that I have to retire you from work. to keep motivating me that I promise him, you know what? I'm going to retire you from work in the next 5 years. You have to draw inspiration from those people and from all leaders. Kaya keep watching the videos, keep attending the seminars. And then of course, commitment. Diba? Kailangan committed ka. Kasi if you're not committed with yourself, if you don't pledge commitment to your goals, and then who do you expect to commit to you then? Wala. Dapat sa'yo yun nag-start. So you have to commit to yourself. Accountability to yourself by committing to the questions and taking responsibility for your actions. We don't blame anyone. Oh, I didn't achieve my sales master kasi last points, hindi niya ipinasok yung points. You know, nagsisihan na. Familiar, natawa sila. nakaka-relate ng mga leaders. Diba? We take ownership to these things, right? Kasi dyan makikita yung great commitment na kahit gaano kahirap, everybody will be resilient to keep bouncing back and actually malagpasan at mag-breakthrough dun sa mga hardships na pagdadaanan. Kasi medyo marami pa yan. But according to Matthew, because of your faith, it will pakilakas. Because of your faith, it will? Sino po ang malakas ang faith? Malakas ang faith! Ayan, very important. Kasi if you don't have faith in your goals, in your dreams, in Atomy, sinong maniniwala sa inyo? Wala. You have to always start from you, right? And of course, do not settle for anything less. All of us are capable. Stay committed to your whys for you to be able to progress. So, for you to achieve your sales mastership. So, wag kayong matakot. Just ask your leaders. They will be more than happy to help you and tell you and guide you for whatever you need to do to achieve your masterships. Okay? So, very important yan. Now, last question. Huwag kayong mag-alala, patapos na tayo sa mga nagugutom dyan. The final piece of this puzzle is the question, why not now? Kasi kung hindi ngayon, edi kailan? If probably, my husband actually told me, you know what, you need to quit your job and do Atomy full-time. Because you're expecting a full-time result, then do it full-time. So in every relationship, it only works if you actually give full time, no? Full love, full attention, give your all. Diba? You don't want anything na konti lang, kalahati lang. Yun lang din matatanggap mo, kalahati. So dapat buong buo, diba? This will unlock your full potential by asking this question. So you need to stop procrastination. Sabi ng mga ibang members ko na na-sign up, Maria, when I retire, tsaka ako nalang gagawin. Pagka yung anak ko 3 years old na, kapapanganak ka lang. So 3 years pa akong naghintay, di ba? So Maria, pag natapos ko na yung school ko, tsaka na. So they always have the procrastination, di ba? Pero I was patient naman to wait. And those people are actually doing business with me right now. Pero sa mga iba na nandito ngayon, sasabihin nyo, bukas pa. I-delay nyo lang po yan. Stop saying tomorrow. Just start now. Very important also, you need to embrace imperfection. I always tell my members, you know what? If we fail together. If we succeed together. So every time na magcha-challenge kami, sabi ko, oh, don't be scared, it's okay. If you fail, you don't make your points, I don't make my points, we fail together, it's okay. Kaya lang, I don't like failing. May achiever tayo eh. You don't like to fail, you know? But if you wanna do it one time, big shot, you have to do it all in ERA. You have to give your all, you know? And ito yung pinaka-importante, don't waste opportunities. Kasi, I have my biggest regret nung nawala ang mother ko na sana nabigyan ko siya ng mas maayos na buhay. You know what? Just to say, when I arrived Korea, I found out, I received a call, my father got stroke. 27, imagine Success Academy the following day. And I have to pull myself together. Kasi sabi ko, mahuhuli na naman ako. Baka nahuli na nga ako sa mother ko. Mahuhuli na naman ako sa tatay ko. Sana sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, please, don't waste any time. Do it now. Kasi yung regrets, ang hirap, ang sakit, yan yung pinakamahirap pagdaanan at paglagpasan. Sa mga may magulang, sa mga may anak, diba, sa mga may minamahal sa buhay, wag nyo nang palagpasin, wag nyo nang patagalin. Yung sinasabi kong 5 years, gusto ko gawin 3 years. Kasi baka hindi ma-enjoy ng father ko. Alam niyo yun? Sino ang lahat ng may minamahal? Please, mag-aaksaya pa ba kayo ng oras? Please, wag na. Diba? Kasi talagang, ang tanong talaga dyan, bakit hindi na ngayon? Ipagpapabukas mo pa, bakit hindi na ngayon? Kasi ganun din naman, wala namang mawawala. Diba? If you most people always think na maghanap ka ng tamang tao, you keep finding the pearl. Me, from 2023, 24 until now, I am encouraging my partners to actually focus on self-growth, knowing yourself more. Because if you spend time chasing butterflies, I always believe in this, they will fly away, but if you spend time making beautiful garden, the butterflies will actually come to you. For how many times na maraming tao pupunta sa akin na gusto nilang mag-sign up sa team ko, very important. Because when we improve on focusing, improving ourselves, everything we want will actually come to us. We attract based on who we are and not what we want. So please don't chase, keep attracting. And before I end, I also want to summarize my presentation today. Please keep asking why, because this will help you connect with your deeper purpose. And embrace your why not, to step beyond your comfort zone. And ask yourself again, why not me? Why not you? Because this is where how you will you will have your self-belief and build your self-confidence. And finally, ask yourself, why not now? Why not now? You need to transform your aspirations into reality. If Chairman Park is rewriting the history of network marketing, please believe that God is rewriting the history of our lives. Thank you, everyone. My name is Maria Abuya Sharon Rose Master from Atomy, Canada.